Hello. Yeah, I'm gonna be cooking me some egg sandwich. If you don't know how to cook, basically. So, I'll be, hold up. Okay. I'll be starting with some eggs. 2 eggs if you want to do 1 person, 4 eggs if you do 2 person, to go by 2s, right? So you put some eggs, you put eggs in here in the bowl, then you stir it up with a fork. And then you put some salt and some pepper in here. You do 3 sprinkles of pepper. Okay. Next, we're gonna need a grill. Just like let me just move the camera right here. Then we need a grill like this, but you need the materials. So we need to get this. Out. Yeah, my hands. And the other one. Yeah, I got that, and then that part. Okay, so I got that set up.
Is that right?
Yes, it's right. It's right.
You need to be on that. Close it down to make sure it don't fall down.
Okay, now it's right. Okay. Next, we're gonna move this grease right here. Enough grease. Hold on, I'm just setting the camera. Hold on. Let's see if you can see from here. If you see from right here. What after it? It is so hard to set up a camera. No. Okay, I'm not gonna stand up camera. Okay, so the next thing you need to do, you need to buy some of these right here. Want an egg sandwich, the perfect one. Okay. Next, you just open it. Let me just put the camera on for a minute. Okay. Oh. Hello, Mama. You know Google. Mama, do you know Google sometimes? Okay. So you need these next. Oh. So. First. Hold up. Let me just put the patty down. Okay, now first you need to plug this in right here.
Alright, let's see.
You need to. Okay.
The area of the triangle with the.
Yeah, and let this be hot first. Usually my sister be doing this. So if you're doing a person, you do need to basically. Is this even plugged up?
What's the thing? Dang. So they gonna get another car? Like, they gotta try to get another car?
They get the value of the car.
So don't get no whole new car.
You don't get that.
Okay, flash
You get the
smoking.
value of whatever.
Guys, we're gonna be taking a commercial break. I'm gonna see when it's done. This thing, basically.
Southeast Texas flooding was seen from above by rescuers urgently trying
A victim on a rooftop catches the attention of a Coast Guard team, and a diver goes down to help. Soon, two
Why they got divers?
in a basket.
I just heard him say Florida.
Hello, how can hurricane flood?
Clearing skies and racing to
I mean, like hurricane. I know hurricane can do lots of damage. No,
Southeast Texas is the latest area to
You got Google. Look it up, man.
estimated
Or go YouTube.
Yeah, hurricane like a tornado with water, right?
in Louisiana.
Yeah.
Beaumont Hospital had
Way bigger.
all existing patients.
Google it.
guys, we'll be doing part 2. We're gonna be doing the part 2. Right now. So I'll see you in a minute.